I don't really like this. And I don't really like that. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to beautiful British Columbia. Take a look at that lawn. She's looking good because of the amount of rain that we've had. So much for summer. It's now the first week of August and of course is overcast here in beautiful British Columbia. So today what I'm going to do is I am going to color coat or paint my wheel covers. I kind of like the way that Tesla blacked out or Chrome deleted the whole thing. But those shiny hubs aren't doing it for me right now, so let's go to painting them. Alright, so the first thing I did is that I did clean them. I washed it first, then I dried it, then I did use the isopropyl rubbing alcohol. And the product that I'm going to use today is this SEM color coat. It's a flexible coating. Now, if this was going to be permanent, the first thing you'd want to do is scuff down the plastics. But I don't know if this is going to be permanent. I don't know if I'm going to like it. So let's go ahead. Let's do some light covers. All right, let's give that a bit of a time to dry. All right, let's do coat number 2. It's you need to be in quite a ventilated area because this is quite strong. So make sure you do it outside. All right, coat number 3, maybe 4, I can't remember, but anyway, I think I'm going to do 5 coats. Hey, before I reveal the rims to you, do you see that dual motor chrome piece? To me, even from the day I got it, it doesn't look straight. Now the license plate is straight, but that dual motor looks like it's sort of up at the right. So, this got me freaking out. There you go. Yeah, I knew it. It's not straight. Bastards. Well, there you go, boys and girls. Before and after. What do you think? Let's put them on the car. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Here endeth the lesson. I gotta tell you, it actually doesn't look that bad. I think I like it. One part I do not enjoy is you still see the silver rim around the hubcap. So I know you can get those rim buddies, I think it's called, and you could get flat black and put that around so it would hide that. But then again, inside the wheel you can also see you know, the color of the wheel itself. I'm probably going to get those painted professionally and or powder coated. So I'm only going to do the left side 2 rims, and I'm going to leave the back, oh sorry, the right, like that. I'm going to do it for a week, maybe a couple of days. Anyway, I want to see what I like best. I mean, pretty much I'm done with spray painting them, because it's going to be a real bastard to try to take that stuff off, to peel it off. So actually it looks good. I might just go ahead and buy another can of that stuff and do the other 2. I don't know. Well, there you go. It's simple, easy, do it yourself. If you don't like the plastic chrome of your hubcaps, you can change those. All right, you guys, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm not going to do anything crazy with the car, but there you go. Cheers.